Green light in us up. Yeah man, one. All vehicle travel right now. Green to the world. Starbucks Cafe. And with our Barbados Avenue. Between Barbados Avenue and Knoxford Boulevard. You know, Chinaman, Veteran TV. You know, the Kingston City. You see it? I give you them a view of what I want, brother. Anywhere I go, you know, everywhere. All them fat building here. You know what I say? Down there be. In the heart of Kingston, you know, daddy. They're trying to trot it out in a farm. Don't know. There's all the big official GPS stop up there so that we're down in a Kingston City with you know, daddy. Yeah. Mad flicking thing, you know, you see, pray. Veteran TV, Kingston City to the world. Play, you know. View this. There's a fat show with Cape Town there. Yeah. Yeah, man. So I get there, them a look at the town, and I told them, if you don't know them places, I don't know CIBC, Big Bank, way down in the middle of the town. Yeah. You see it, GPS. You know, Veteran TV, the right, you say, you know, daddy. Mud flicking thing in a fambo. Oh, like up the things, them, you know? Share them up to the farm. Mad thing. And all them mad places here. You see it? CIBC Bank. Yeah, I know them places down in the town here, people. So all the building over there, so. A mad thing, man. Crazy. I'm on a Veteran TV, you know, in the town here. You see me I talk about people. Crazy, you know. China, man. I no sense, you know, yo. That youth there, in the town me there, you know. You see it? Veteran TV, see me here. I am the veteran from out of Portland. I'm down in the Kingston City here. Crazy. I play with the boss. Pier High Rising. You see it? Building in the place. Sicky. Mad no Sicky. Yeah, man. Where don't you say name Sicky? Eh? Knoxford Boulevard. Big up yourself security in the place here. Veteran TV. Kingston City to the world. Yeah, oh. Knoxford Boulevard, down in the Kingston City. We're down there with it. Here? All bout Veteran TV there, you see it? Yeah, man, I'm sure the items say Kingston run different the place. Uniform, you see it? Watch all the machine out them park need. Watch the machine, people. Kingston and Knoxford Boulevard with it. We're down in the middle of Kingston, Veteran TV there. Yeah, me and my daughter. Check it. Jamaica National Bank, Ministry of Industry and Instrument and Commerce. Go and carry a uniform. To the world. And you know my machine park over in another complex. They're down. Veteran TV. All about. Watch your out.